All right. Hello, beautiful people. If my internet holds up today, then you're in for a treat. Let's get the Twitch bot inside. Let's get the Twitch bot going. Go to simulshift.com, chatbot. Let's see, can I join? Here we go. Nice. Anything? Oh wait. Say a word. Nothing? Nothing. Let me see. I think I know. I think I just got to turn on the main power supply. Turn on the turbos. Let me see. Oh no, it looks like it's online. Well, hold up. Let me look at the console. Say a word. Huh. Well, let me try. Nothing? So, okay. Time to hacker man. Trying to see what's going on. Error. No answer from GPT? Say something. No answer. Okay, well then, let me try this. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Error. Interesting. Let me check out my API key, see what happens. Maybe my API key got destroyed. API key, ChatGPT login. API. ChatGPT. How do I get to my API keys? What the heck? Here we go. Let's look at the billing or the usage. Let me see. GPT Turbo. Monthly spend is 43 cents. Okay. Huh. Okay, let me see something. Say a word. Okay, well that's just scuffed. Well, in that case, I'm just going to could look in the database, but I don't want to spend all my time debugging this, so we'll just let go of the bot. Oh, I gotta plug my laptop in real quick. Okay, hold up. We just gotta let go. I'm going to turn this off. And I'm gonna turn... I'm gonna turn this off too. All right. Huh. Let me plug my laptop in real quick. All right. Well, let's get started then. Let's get that Waifu Dev up and running. Got Unity Hub, Arcane Shift. So, let's see. I made the... I refactored the database. Okay, got that done. Next thing you gotta do... Oh, I gotta fix the front end. There's a bunch of errors on the C# code, Unity client code, because I changed a bunch of the interfaces and data types. So we're gonna do a little bit of debugging. So the plan is debugging. Let me see. Can I write a plan? What's the battle plan? Let's do debugging. That's the steps I got so far. But here are the waifus. We got Millie, Mina, and Kurogane. I figure some of them can be Japanese names. Okay. Come on, open up a writer. Maybe it's just taking a second. Already running. I don't see it. Hold up. Huh. That don't make no sense. Task manager. It says it's running. Can you type something? How about writer? No. Can I connect to already running IDE instance? Ain't no way. Maybe if I open the toolbox. Update. Alright, let's just run updates. Maybe that'll fix it, hopefully. In the meantime, so I got the animations done on these girls, on the waifus. I was going to add... I need to make another waifu. Oh, and I need text. I need like text renderers, images of these basically, but actually these are images. We have thumbnails. We do have thumbnails. How does that work? I could reuse these. In that case, texture type. Maybe I could just duplicate this. How does this figure in? Okay. Mina.textures. So they're in here. Okay. Well, that's cool. Hopefully I can reuse this, and I'm just going to do a Control D to make a copy. And I'm just going to do like render. I'll call this Mina thumbnail. I'm just going to convert this to a sprite. And then I guess I can do that for the rest of one. Unapplied import settings. Let's do cancel. Actually, let's just make a new folder for these then. A new folder. We're gonna drop the, because I need thumbnails for the deck builder part of the game. Unapplied settings. Oh, let's just apply that. Okay. And then let's create a folder. Do thumbnails. Maybe we can even call it icons. Let's go to, actually let's just do the rest of these real quick. Milli textures. You have a thumbnail. Let's duplicate it with the Control D. And let's drop this into here. And do the same thing. We got Mina. We need Krogane. Alright. Whoops, dropped it in the wrong spot. Oh, I dropped it somewhere. Did it go into the outer folder? Yeah. Okay. What's up? Oh, dang. Let's do cancel this. Then Rogane icon. I'll show you guys in a sec why I'm doing this. But I need icons of all my characters. Let me see. Alright, where are we connecting? Should be back in business. Okay. And how's the update going? It's still updating. Okay. It's gonna take a second. Okay, so now I can go to... what kind of file is this anyway? Because I don't want the white background. But okay, we can remove the background if we need to. Deck or card master. Go to card master. Shoot, I gotta fix the compile errors before I can do the rest. Okay, so I really need Writer to finish updating. Okay, we'll take a quick break. Y'all. Still applying the patches. How y'all doing? You guys up to... You guys ready for some straight weebin'? for some hardcore weebin. What is that? Oh, I gotta delete this. I mean, hide that. Okay. That was for something else. Build blind patches. Maybe we can watch a video until things get better. The problem with object-oriented programming? Saddest Twitch stream ever? Bro, I don't want to. If I watched that, I'd be cringing way too hard. Biggest MMO of all time? I don't know. I don't believe it. JavaScript and MySQL database. So I finally ditched Chrome. The aliens in Miami, dude. They're straight up aliens in Miami. Did you see him? Tell me you saw him. Everybody saw him. Dang, this is taking a minute. We're still waiting for Ryder to finish updating so I can fix the compile errors. Otherwise, I can't do anything in Unity because it's just yelling at me. Why signals are better than React hooks? What the heck? Zombie Kid has his comeback. $100K a month? Dang, dude. Couldn't be me. Oh, finally, we're good. Okay. Make memory and performance profiling always available. What? This will install JetBrains host service that powers memory and performance profiling, allows starting dynamic program analysis automatically. If not installed, Windows UAC will ask for permission to run the service each time you start profiling, and the automated start of DPA will be disabled. Okay. I mean, that's fine. Now can I open it up? Tell me I can open it up now. Yes, okay, updating worked. Usually updating, I find usually updating doesn't do anything. Doesn't do shit. But this time it actually fixed my issue. Damn. Well, my issue was basically I just needed to restart, but It was weird in a weird state. So I don't know if updating is what actually fixed it or just me restarting it fixed it. You know what? Updating still sucks. Waifu unit controller looking good. Put a space there. But let's get to the bottom of these errors. Unit enum does not contain definition. True. Let's just delete that for now. Or we can even comment it out. And let's do, for the knight, we actually want... Why do we have basic axe knight? Melee is the new knight. So we're gonna get melee. Normal knight. Oh no, not melee. That's Kurogane. Oh dang. What happened to my hotkey? Can't go up. Let me fix it. What does Control K do at the moment? Let me just delete this. The Control K ones are messing things up, so let me remove those. Alright, that should fix it. No, I still can't go up? What the hell? Okay. New plan. Where's Vim? Maybe Vim is messing it up. Let's do IDE. Haha, we did it. We done found it. Go Kurogane. What? I can't press enter? Wait a second. Boom. Okay, cool. Whew. This one's melee. Do melee. Dark Mage is Mina. Undead Boar and Mina again. Why is Mina twice? Wasn't that the Dark Mage? Yeah. Okay. We gotta do the same business over here. Let's comment this out. Let's delete that. Let's do Mina. Do melee and then Kurogane. So that fixed a lot of them already. Okay. Default's not one. We're gonna do unset. Wow, fix these issues pretty fast. That's good. The vaguely independent fans are back. Hey Ghost, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Okay, cool. We got our stuff to compile again. What's this complaining about? The member attack card .start does not hide an accessible member. The new keyword is not required. Okay. Well, then we'll delete it. No warnings or errors is a dream. Simon, when are we going to use our combined powers for nefarious exploits? I don't know. When I finish this video game, maybe? Depends how wild we're talking. Let's see. Unit sprite dictionary. This is all wrong. So let's delete this. Unit unset. Do that. Okay. Kurogane, Millie, Mina, and Undead Board. Got it. Let's go find Kurogane. You know, I don't want to take over the world. Take over the government. Oh, these are sprites. Okay. There we go. And then Millie. Mina. Okay, we got the sprites, and the board sprite still good. Prefab dictionary is all messed up. Okay. This. Dang it, which one is the prefab? It's this one. Millie. How you doing, Ghost? Mina. Is this Sunday for you? Undead 4. Okay. Nice. Let me delete that. And then these should be the same. Wooden sword, but they're not. I don't think I'm going to even use these, though. These are all wrong. Let me delete them all. Hard prefabs. Well, in order to overtake the government, we have to be smarter than a mentally injured hamster, aka Joe Biden's mental acuity. Well, maybe we set the bar too low on that one. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Nice. I told myself I was going to do some cleaning for me. I mean, I was going to do some cleaning today at the house. Ain't gonna happen. Is it gonna happen? We're gonna find out. Unlikely. Hard prefabs. Okay, these are all messed up. Leather boots. Simple axe. Basic bow. Firebolt. And boar headbutt. Boar head butt. Okay. Card backs. Oh man, the card backs are all messed up. Okay. How do I add more? The heck? Oh. Purple big gem. I'm just gonna choose random ones. Fancy purple gem. Okay. Now let's just see if it runs. Cool scene swisher. There's no fucking way that the old bobblehead is running anything. Yeah, I mean, I guess he's just more of like the image. Because yeah, I mean, running a country is a lot of work, I guess. I don't know. But I don't think anyone really believes that the president is really running that many things. Who knows? Back to your original plan to get you to enhance my lifestyle. Your lifestyle? How am I gonna do that? Let's go to login and okay, if this works, I will be impressed. Bob 1 2 3. First, gonna check if the deck builder mode works. Oh man, okay, that failed quick because the server isn't even running. Go land. Simon, I would like to offer you an opportunity to invest at the ground floor of my new company. All it takes is a few dozen initial investments of 24K. What do you need 24K for? Plugin error because it requires build or older. This is older than that. What the hell? Stupid plugin. Okay. Gotta index a bunch of stuffs. AI assistant. See if we can get this to run. It's gotta finish building. I was told by social media I need to have a Bugatti or I'm nothing. Damn, dude. Yeah, man. You don't have a Bugatti? What? How are you gonna get anyone to listen to you? I have like 5 Bugattis. I would settle for a Sunday Soundwave special right now. A Sunday Soundwave special. Well, I got Monster Cat playing music, if that counts. And we're in the Deep House playlist. 13 songs deep. That's how I'll know how long I've been streaming for. It's got 40 songs in total. Best BMX bike? Do you know how to ride a bike? Of course. Undefined. Unitlist.go. Uh-oh. How that happened, let's see. Oh yeah, this is all wrong. What the heck? Oh, this is old news though. Where is this? I'm not using this anymore. I don't think so. Util unit list. Huh, I don't not remember writing this. Well, I'm gonna delete it. Delete. Let's try again. I have Stranger Iron Main 2075. Oh, what's that? Let me Google it. It's a frame. Look at that beauty. What kind of steel is it? Chromoly. That's cool. Nice, it's running. Let me restart. How else am I going to trust it and get scuffed up when I fall? That's true. If it was aluminum, when you fall, it would just get a humongous dent. It would get a humongous dent. Oh wait, let me go to deck builder. Oh damn it. I was afraid it was gonna happen. How's it dragging all scuffed too? Whoa. We need to remove the backgrounds from these sprites. And where's my boar sprite? The hell? I forgot about the boar. Okay, we'll add that in a sec. But I gotta fix the dragging thing too. Dang it. Why is the dragging broken? The dragging code is a shit show. We have to go back in there. Let me fix the dragging code before I fix the backgrounds. But like, it does let me drag stuff into here. Really long. On drag. Okay. There's the player deck and available units. Okay. I want them to be able to drag into here and not get super extended. Okay, let's try that. And control child size, horizontal fit. Maybe not control the width. Maybe that's what we want. Okay. Okay. But they're little. They're like a. I actually do want the width to be controlled, but not like super crazily. What is controlling the width? Preferred size. My bike and the guy they made it for?
What I ordered
Getting hit with an ad. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Damn. Big tricks. Whoa. Don't eat shit, my bro. Hey, sick landing. Nice. Damn, bro, I would eat shit. I would eat shit so hard. That's true. That's true. What matters is the bike. Because then you don't want to have to get a new one. Your body heals for free usually. Okay, where did I write the code for all that? It's not on the canvas. It's not on the player deck. Is it on the viewport? Oh, there is stuff on the viewport. Hardcode height and width to 100. The width is really long. Probably have to ask ChatGPT what's going on. Whoops. Send a screenshot. Can I paste it? Copy to clipboard. Okay. Oh, I need to be on GPT-4. How come the icon has a super long width when I have it set to preferred size? What's the width when it's not the preferred size? Let me see. I gotta do some experimenting here because working with content size filters in Unity always confuses the crap out of me. So let me turn this off and then see what the size. The width is 100, the height is still too high. If I turn both off? So I kind of want it to control child force expands. Okay, that's not what I want. Parent container, CSS styling, image format. Okay, none of this is helpful. None of that's helpful. I think I need to ask why the width is grayed out. Why is the width grayed out? That is one long face. There's a drop zone. Let's see, parent container. Network error. Shoot. The viewport and the content. I guess the content is deciding stuff, but child alignment upper left. Horizontal fit, preferred side, vertical fit, unconstrained. What's min size do? Whoa, it disappeared. Preferred size. Font size fit is useful in font UI element to resize dynamically based on its content, but it takes away the ability to manually set the size in Inspector because it's now in control of that dimension. If you want to have maximum width, you could potentially add a layout element component and set the preferred width to the maximum width you desire. A layout element. So if I had a layout element to this, min width, where's the max width? Preferred width 100. Oh, here we go, something like that. I guess we could just do that. So I still don't see the outline thing when I'm dragging it. I used to be able to see the outline. Okay. First of all, what prefab is this using? Deck builder. Prefab. Deck. Okay, let me go to my prefabs. Deck choose button. Archer icon? What the heck is this? Oh. Knight icon. I guess I can just delete. Let me make a new folder. Create. Are these sprites? No, these are actually. View unit data. I don't think I'm actually using these. I'll put them in a folder for now. So icons. Tile prefab. Okay, I gotta go to the script for this. For the scene. Here we go. This is the main script I have for this scene. It's like the master script that handles everything else. And add unit to content. Available units, add unit to content. Oh, I must have content? Okay. Deck button prefab. What's this? Oh. How does it know? The heck? How does it know how to make the... Oh snap, I literally straight up build the component from scratch. I just grabbed the sprite and I create a new game object. Okay. In that case, oh, that's kind of nuts. Okay, well then, let's just do unit image dot add component. Let's do a layout element. Let's do const layout element equals, or this was var something. Oh yeah, element dot preferred width 150. Okay, that should actually fix it. That's weird. I usually don't straight up make the components from scratch, the game objects from scratch, but maybe I just got lazy or something. But it's kind of cool doing it really programmatically, but I don't know. I'll have to experiment more. Usually I make like a prefab first, like a template. Okay. So we added that. The next thing you gotta figure out is why the dragging and dropping. You're supposed to see an outline when you drag stuff around. So, okay, it's kind of fixed. Let's fix the dragging stuff. Drag drop. Start a new one. How can I see the outline of the sprite while I am dragging it on the canvas in Unity? I wonder why this looks nice, actually. It's kind of interesting. Now that I'm thinking about it, these are like already the right shape and I didn't change it. So now I have to wonder why that's working without issues. Like, what's the settings on there? I don't even see a content size fitter. Oh, I see it here. Vertical fit is preferred size. Grid layout group. And the horizontal fit is unconstrained. Alright. Lots of info is just rushing back to my brain. But I'm not gonna mess with it if it's working, so let's keep going. To see the outline of the sprite while dragging on the Unity canvas, you need to create a visual representation of the sprite that appears during the drag operation. This can be achieved by adding a few modifications to your drag drop script. Here are the steps you can follow. Create an outline prefab. First, create a prefab of your sprite with an outline. You can add an outline by using a shader, a sprite outline script, or by adding additional outline sprite as a child of your main sprite. Make sure this outline version is distinguishable from the original sprite. Distinguishable from the original sprite. Instantiate the outline on drag start. When the drag begins, instantiate this outline prefab and make it follow the cursor. Why doesn't this expand? I need to see the code. What the hell? It's the stupidest ChatGPT ever. Okay. They can improve the quality so much by just letting the code expand. Stupid ass OpenAI. Okay, instantiate the outline on drag start. I wonder what the changes are here compared to the original. On begin drag, on end drag. Where's this getting called? Usage is not found. What the heck? I guess this is a Unity event. Are these even getting called? This is an event because it says the event function. Dragging Millie. Yo, I'm going to eat and I won't be able to type, but I got you with the lurk. Thanks, Billionth. Hells yeah. We're straight up making a gacha here. You guys ever play gachas? This is how we get rich. The Waifu Collection Agency. Canvas group thought alpha block raycast. Update the position of the outline. Can't we just drag the original sprite instead? Change parent on begin drag drop. Set the parent to the canvas so it appears above everything else. Yeah. That's what we're doing. I see how it works. Okay. Is the canvas broken? Do I have more than one canvas in here? I don't think so. Could have given me an error. So actually, I should be able to monitor. Thanks, Ghost. Taking over. Taking over the chat duties. Make you alpha mod? That Ghost. Alpha mod. I don't think that worked. I don't think I have a command for that. I think I see the issue. It's because when I'm dragging, it's not setting it to the canvas. Or it's setting it to the wrong canvas. Let me see. So, what if I change this script to not use? To not do that, but find object of type. That should work, actually. I have, but it's not setting the parent to the canvas. Let me try. Let me try this. As part of your job, how much do you have to know about computers, networking, security, or any basic IC stuff? Well, you don't really know have to. In my job, I don't really have to know IT stuff. We have like an IT guy. But in terms of security, you have to know security in terms of like preventing players from cheating on the game. So like security in terms of like making sure the player when they're playing the game does not get any information that they don't need to play the game. Because like a big part of my job is like defining what data is sent across the network. But this is like on the like the software layer, the application layer of the OSI model. So like anything below the OSI model I don't have to worry about, but I have to make sure what I'm programming is like yeah, is like safe, secure in that, in like that sense. So like I can't just send like a bunch of like private user info. I have to do like a lot of sanitization of data that gets sent. If that makes sense. But when it comes to like security stuff, not much. Not much. Like IT, in terms of IT security. Although like I mean like it's still, you should like, you can't do like, as long as you don't do stupid stuff like download a virus onto your laptop machine. Security is important. True. I can like make a course on how to make video games. But like the thing about doing that is like, if I do make a like how to make a video game course, it would probably be really advanced stuff. I don't know how much people will be into advanced stuff. And also like I prefer to use protocol buffers over the network. I don't think that's a common way of handling networking. Or, well actually, I don't know. This is C#. The backend is in Golang. Well, I mean, like, I should really be teaching people how to use protocol buffers, because I feel like if you get good at using protocol buffers, you can speed up the time it takes to do networking in a video game tremendously. Save yourself days. New parent. Oh shit, that's why. Okay, we found the issue. We found it. Okay, cool. So I'm glad we found the issue. I just don't know how to fix it without adding a serialized field. But you know what? Let's just add a serialized field, I guess. Can I do that? I can't even do that because I'm doing this all programmatically, so let me think. I could just get the object by the name. Get component and parent. Where is the health bar canvas? Now that I think about it, what? Okay. Does get component recursively go up the tree? It's getting the wrong canvas. Does get component and parent recursively go up the tree? Hey, I have a very difficult tech question. Are you ready to try it? Sure. Why not JSON? Oh yeah, that is the question. The question. Well, there's actually a lot of good reasons why you don't want to use JSON. I mean, and there's also some reasons why you might want to use JSON, but if you're making a video game, I don't think JSON is a good idea. And I actually made a TikTok. I made a TikTok video. I actually made a TikTok video on that. Let me see if I can even find it. I made a TikTok video called "Stop Using JSON." I don't even remember what I put in here. Let me see. Now JSON. Whoops. Now JSON is also a very popular data serialization format. But JSON has its advantages and disadvantages. One advantage of using JSON is that it is really easy to just use in a REST API if you want to whip something up really quickly. Now if we look at an example of a JSON object, there's actually a lot of data that does not actually need to be sent across the network. If you look at the field names, the name, age, city, is student, and hobbies, as well as the quotation marks and the semicolons and the brackets, this is extra data that can be avoided if you are using protobufs. What this means is protobufs do not need to send the red text here, and instead they only need to send the white text across the network, saving you a lot of cost in terms of bandwidth. It allows you to do this because you have to define a structure that the client and the server must agree on in order for the data to be sent across the network. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a second, but it's nice that you save data by not sending the field names when you use JSON, which is super important when you're making a video game because you want to save all the money you can on bandwidth. But actually the main reason I use protobufs is because you have types on the client and the server defined, so that gives you the IDE auto completion and everything. So like if you're using JSON, it doesn't know anything about what you're sending over the network. You just have to guess, kind of. You just have to know what it's called, like. But if you're using protobufs, the IDE will literally autocomplete everything for you because it knows the types that are being sent across and the names and everything, which is huge. Like that saves so much time. Like, because if you're saying JSON and you capitalize the letter of a field and you try to deserialize it, you're fucked. It's all over for you. Now your time to debugging trying to figure out what you spelled wrong, which is comparing strings is a shit show. So that's the main reason why I don't like to use JSON. Commodore says, what would you do if everything you loved about tech stopped existing? My whole reason for being into tech was the idea you can understand how anything works by taking it apart, examine, learn, repair, modify, etc. But that hasn't been possible since the late 20th century. Things aren't designed so one big brain can understand a whole product. They divide the problem over 1,000 medium brains. 1,000 medium brains. Yeah, bro. That's me. I can only I only know the application layer of the OSI model. Like I tried learn the other layers are crazy. Application, HTTP, presentation, session. Yeah, I don't know what any of other stuff does that much. I am like in a small section of the application layer is what I know. End-to-end connections, TCP, UDP, oh yeah. Packets, data link, frames, physical. Don't forget your repeaters. Abstractions can be possibilities you haven't thought of too. Isn't our whole world just an abstraction of that our brain makes so that we can understand it? Get component and parent does indeed recursively go up the hierarchy tree in Unity. When you use this method on a game object, it searches game object itself first and then moves up through its parents in the hierarchy until it finds the component of the type you specified. Okay, if this is recursive, I'm in good shape. Then that should fix everything. So let's restart. But if they feel like a lie, you sense truth elsewhere. The weird thing about human beings is that, like, we make a lot of our assumptions about ourselves that we kind of know are wrong, but we believe in them anyway. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to function as a human being. Like, for example, most people believe they're better than everybody else. There's like a psychology term called illusory superiority. I don't know. People have a lot of dumb assumptions out there, I guess. But Tech was nice because there's a lot less assumptions you had to make earlier on. But yeah, now everything is, there's abstractions on top of abstractions. And so, I mean, I guess you can still, I think the cool thing that abstractions do is, like, before, to build something cool, you kind of needed like a bunch of people who knew what they were doing to build like a website or something. But now all you had to do is whip up a create React app and then you're in there. So like, I think people are able to do like a lot more complicated things now. Like things that would take a lot more time and effort are now really easy to do. Like whether that's like building a website or a program or something like that. But like when the abstractions fail, then you're kind of screwed. You have to like try a new thing. And the downside of that is like people end up learning frameworks instead of actually how to like program stuff. Damn it, that didn't work. Okay, hold up. Get component and parent not recursive. Let me Google something. Get component in parent Unity. We have a abstraction to build a FTL engine that warps space-time, but it's not real until we get negative energy. What in the world? Sure. I know some of the things you're saying. I know a couple of words. Samuel, when are you going to tackle the Mandelbrot set? Huh? Homestead? The number 2 is more real than 2 actual apples. The apples can disappear. The numbers can't. Huh, that's an interesting point. There's more energy in so-called empty space than we first thought. People assumed the Earth was the center of the universe. We're just a bunch of midwits out here, really. I feel like people don't want. I feel like people don't. I feel like smart people are dying. Smart people are like getting. Society is not like built around to help smart people that much, sadly. Corporations want people just smart enough to do the work they need you to do. Hot takes here. Super hot takes. Be careful. They don't want us to know how to be critical thinkers. That doesn't help them out. The government doesn't want us to know how to think for ourselves. Okay, let me see I gotta read the docs for a second. Got a reference to a component. I don't think this is recursive. I think ChatGPT is full of crap. Otherwise, my program would work. Well, The universe, yeah, dude. We're just a 3D projection of the 4D alien space world. Dear guy who and parent, this is gonna be spicy. 3.5? What's 3.5? 3.5 dimensions? Okay, dude, I'm just gonna look for it by name. I'm just gonna do something really cheesy for now. I am tired of this error. I'm sure there's a better way to fix this. But you know, that works just as well. Let's just leave well enough alone. Here we go. See? We got him. Look at that. Isn't that neat? The dragging is working. So now you can like build your deck kind of thing. Hells yeah. Okay, but now I gotta remove the background images. I mean the background of the sprites. And I'm gonna have to do that using... I'm gonna freaking have to do that. I'm probably gonna have to open up what my Walmart Photoshop. My my thrift stop Photoshop program called Affinity Designer. All right, let's see what we got. Length, width, height, and time. Only going forward. Time, as it turns out, is a physical property. Interesting, interesting. Time. Time going forward. Physical property. What the heck is time? I still don't even understand what time is. It doesn't even make sense to me. Like, height, width, length, that makes sense because I can visualize it. Personas. Open recent. Okay, cool. What's that? Is this really your waifu? She has changed. Yeah, my waifu. This is what happens when she's hungry. She needs peanut butter. So I don't trust things unless me myself can measure. Let's see. New. How to make a new tab here? What is that? Persona new and do new. Can I like duplicate this? Alright, let's just try new custom. Can I do custom? Print photo. I just want like a canvas rectangular. Let's see. Okay, let me just type here. I think I can just do like, go to pixels. Just do 3000 by 3000. Okay, cool. And now I need to import the waifu images. See if this works. I'm not even sure what image format they're in. Icons. Alright, drop that in. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's because the background's already white. What is the size of this image? It sounds like your wife. I'll allow it. Why is sounds like my wife blocked? Possibly offensive. So you don't trust consciousness? I don't know. Maybe the wife wrote wrote the auto mod script. They're like, we can't have none of that. It my wife got a push notification already. She's pissed. The real question I need you guys to help me figure out is, what the hell is consciousness? Is it just an emergent phenomenon of your brain, or is it something else? Show more options. I gotta find the pixels of this guy or girl. Does it tell me details? 2048 by 2048. Okay, I think they're all that size. So let me just double check. Yup. Okay, cool. So that means let's just do new. See, web. Let's do 2048 by 2048. Create. Dang it, delete that. Nope. Okay, let's do. Shoot, where'd it go? Did I close them out? Oh my gosh, I closed them out. I hate when I close out windows by habit. Okay, so now I gotta go back, find folder. Bam. Okay, should be the perfect size right there. Oh, going with the simple questions to start the new year? That's what I'm talking about. Simple questions starting the new year. I used to think that consciousness was an emergent property of the brain. The reason that we're experiencing consciousness is because our brain somehow lets us experience, or like, as like, it's like some evolutionary adaptation that humans developed, that our brain developed. So that's why we experience consciousness. I used to believe that. That's what I used to believe. I need to find out what type of image this is. It's a PNG file, then why is the background there? Oh well. I will get rid of the background. I know there's a way to get rid of the background here easily enough. How do I rename this though? Can I save it? Oh, I see how this works. Let's do. So I got let's go here. Let's do Kurogane icon. People that have clinically died for up to 45 minutes can tell you what conversations we were had in the room with doctors. Interesting. The reason why I wonder if consciousness, the reason why I don't believe consciousness is like part of your brain completely is because if you like there's like this weird thought experiment you can have. Like one of them is like, if there's like a teleportation device, and the way it works is like, instead of actually teleporting you, it like deconstructs your body and reconstructs it in a different spot, like exactly the same. So then what happens to your consciousness if that happens? Do you die or not? I know there's a way to get rid of the background on this image. Let me see. I think I can do something with the selection tool. Let me find it. There is a cool trick that I learned the other day. I think I have to switch to pixel. And then flood select tool. Here we go. So if I select this, no, can't select anything. Current layer. Use color range or magic wand or a quick select tool. No, this isn't Photoshop. This is Walmart Photoshop. This is Affinity Design. And we duplicate the layer. Or make a mask. I know I could use this flood select tool. Oh, there we go. What if I just delete it? Whoops, not that. What if I do what about backspace? No. I know there's a way to delete this stuff. Not backspace, not delete. Maybe it was a delete button. No, that just deletes the layer. Dang it, how did I do that? Okay, I'm close. Edit. Backspace. Okay, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT real quick. How do I delete? How do I make the background transparent in Affinity Design 2 with the flood select tool? Open your image, select flood select tool. Okay. Adjust tolerance. Select the background. Usually this is the background. Refine the selection. After the initial selection, okay. All these steps are done. Delete the background. Press the delete key. That's what I'm doing. Delete. But that deletes the layer. The delete key deleted the layer. We really need to get some in and out. In and out sounds so good right now. Duplicate the layer. Okay. Create a mask. Use a mask to hide the selected area with the selection active. Click on the mask layer button in the layers panel. Okay, with the selection action. Mask layer. New pixel layer. All right, let's just look at a YouTube video because I think that's how I learned how to do it last time. Affinity, design, remove background. Simple enough. This should be quick.
2023, the best way to make money on Amazon.
Nobody cares, bro.
Today I'll show you how to remove a white background and not any white areas that are inside of the dog, like the white pupils of his eyes.
Okay.
And anti-aliasing will make our selection smoother, preventing
Oops.
ugly, jagged edges. Okay, with those settings turned on, we just need to click anywhere in the background.
Okay, so I have this contiguous.
And Affinity will make
okay,
a
cool.
perfect selection. With the selection finished, you can remove the background by pressing delete on your keyboard.
No way. That's literally what I'm doing. Hold up. Delete. It just deleted everything. Piece of garbage. Did I miss a step? Hold up.
And just like that, the white background is gone. Jagged edges. Okay, with those settings turned on, we just need to click anywhere in the background. And Affinity will make a perfect selection. With the selection finished, you can remove the background by pressing delete on your keyboard. And just like that, the white background is gone. Now we can remove our selection by pressing Ctrl D on a PC or Command D on a Mac. With the white background removed, there's just one last thing you need to know. And a
Did I miss a step?
flood select tool. This tool allows us to click on any color in the photo, and Affinity will make a selection of that color.
I did that.
Before we make our selection, make sure contiguous is turned on.
I got that.
Anti-aliasing is turned on.
Contiguous anti-alias.
Contiguous is so that we only select the white pupil, and Affinity will make a perfect selection. The download link for today's photo to do a flood select tool.
I don't think I missed any steps.
You need to click anywhere in the background, and Affinity will make a perfect selection. With the selection finished, you can remove the background by pressing delete on your keyboard. And just like that, the white background is gone.
Deleting background deletes the layer. Affinity design. Pretty sure. Yeah, I'm deleting the layer by accident. I wonder how I can get out of this. If I go here and then back. No? Dang. Probably missing something. I'll just ask ChatGPT again. Normally, pressing the delete button should remove the background, but mine is deleting the layer, the entire layer, and all the image data. That's gonna take a second. Can't delete backgrounds. I selected the background, then I hit delete. Everything was deleted. Rabbit and all that was the outline of the rabbit on the checkboard background. I think this is exactly my issue. Did you see the marching ants? What are marching ants? Document transparent background. What's that? Is there a document tab? If it is, there I go to rasterize. You might be working on an image layer. Then they did at the pixel level. This is why everything on an image layer will be deleted instead of part of it. Okay, let's create a pixel layer. New pixel layer. And then now if I delete stuff, now stuff's not working. Tolerance. I think this is why I don't do Photoshop for work. I can't do it. Okay. Freaking pixel layer. We got one. I think this is just an empty layer, so maybe I can like rasterize it. I don't know what that did. It sounded like it did something. Now it's a pixel layer. Now I can delete stuff. Nope. At least it's not deleting everything anymore, but it's not doing anything. Delete, delete. Missing something here. Go back a few steps. Can I undo that? Undo, delete, undo, delete. Okay, well, how many times did I press stuff? I can't undo the rasterize thing I did. Sheesh. Maybe I should start over. Oh my gosh. Okay. Right click. I think this just makes empty layers. Okay. I think it was because I had an image layer and I did rasterize, so now it's a pixel over there, but still won't work. Did they rasterize it in here?
Now we can remove our photo, and Affinity will make a selection of that color. The first thing we need to do is go into the pixel persona. In this workspace, Affinity gives us a new set of tools over here on the left side.
I think she already is working with a pixel layer.
Today's photo.
Let me see something. Let's open. Dreams ruined because of Photoshop every time. Stay with transparency. Adjust the mask manually. Insert pixel layer. Does say pixel. Opacity. Refine the selection, apply the mask. Button at the bottom of the layers panel. Okay, delete's not working. Mask. You can apply a mask. Mask layer button at the bottom of the... Oh, dang. What'd that do? Gonna do all that. Okay, let me just... I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna straight up delete this layer. Delete. Let's just start over. Okay, so now I have an image layer. Maybe I should Google how do I remove the background with an image layer. How do I remove the background of an image in Affinity Designer with image layer? If your background is white, use filters, erase white paper, otherwise the selection brush. The background is white. Maybe I can do that. There's filters, export. Is there supposed to be a filters drop down? Sheesh. Can't do nothing. Let's see. Let's try a new YouTube tutorial. ChatGPT.
In this video, I will show you how to remove background in Affinity Designer.
Let's go to like
know the
double
complete
speed.
process, please watch this video till the end. Version 2 from this left side panel. In the option tool, version 2 from Affinity.
See, they start
Yeah, I'll show
off
you how
with
to remove
pixel
background.
layers because it says pixel layer. Mine is an image layer. Okay, convert to pixel layer. Select rasterized. Okay, let's do that. Cool. Now let's go to here. Flood select. Click on that and delete. Delete. Dang it. Of course that didn't work. Okay.
Affinity Designer or Designer version 2. First, select your image. Now, at first in Affinity Designer, you will not get any option tool to remove background from this left side panel. Pixel persona. Background like selection brush tool, freehand selection tool, or flood selection tool. Hit key from your keyboard to increase or decrease, refine, and clear up image edges.
Okay.
Select out Designer, and that's it. Remove background with selection brush tool in Affinity Designer, and hit apply. And this is one of the
Oh, what? How do you do that? Let me see.
settings as it is in a default, and brush on the after selecting the object.
Oh, snap. Thanks for the follow. Wolf goes, nya. Welcome to the stream. I'm just struggling with Walmart Photoshop
Go to top, refine,
because I want these icons in the game, but I don't want the white background.
and clear up image edges. Keep these settings as it.
Refine selection.
After selecting the object, go to top.
Refine. Okay. And if I apply it, did he apply it like that? Let me see. What happened? Oh, I think it is removed. Oh, it is working, I guess, because I can see it, but I don't see like the, you know how like when things are transparent, it has that like transparent, instead of like a white background, it has that transparent texture thing.
Refine to clear up. And hit. That's it. If you
Like
found this
these
video
little
helpful, please
squares.
click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please hit that bell notification. And that's it. If you found the popular ways to remove. Here, select output as mask and hit apply.
Oh, let me go back. Let me try it with the masks instead. Let me go back a little bit. Whoop, too far back. Let's redo. Redo, rasterize, refine, and let's try mask and apply. Oh, damn. That didn't do it. Okay. I think the delete key is the way to go, but now that's bugging me that I don't see the transparent transparency stuff happening. But I can kind of see it working because it goes dark here. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like it's working. So I'm just going to click on those, and that should get it to what we want. Let me export it, see what it looks like. So export somehow. We're gonna export. I think I've done like this 2 times. File format, yeah. So where's the export button? Create a slice. Just give me an export button. Maybe if I go to export here. Okay. It's PNG. Yeah. Export. Let's go to you just export it to my project. It's gonna be in the waifus folder, of course. Just put it over here for now, and then let's do transparent. Let's see if this actually works. So if I open this, is the background even transparent? It just looks white still. How can I test this? Yeah, I don't think this is working. Okay. Got it. We must try again. Deleting background. Fill white layer. Infinity design. Filters, colors. That would be the easiest thing to do. But I don't see the filter. Image. Click on, oh, this is only on photo. Amazing designer. Huh. I swear I'd done this before and it was working. Remove white background, doesn't work anymore.
this is one of the most popular ways to remove background with selection brush tool in Affinity Designer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click
I think a way to test this is just by dumping it in Discord, because I think Discord will remove, if it's actually transparent, it would show up as transparent on Discord. Let's just do a quick test. Nope. Okay. Dude, no way. Come on. I'm going crazy. Okay. Okay, maybe if I export, maybe I exported it wrong. Area, whole document. PNG. Step 6 didn't work. I selected the area, but the white background is still there, and I don't see the transparent texture. White background is still there. Check the layout layer properties. Need a pixel layer. See if the rasterize option is available. If I right click. Oh, this is the export. Okay, let's go back here. Rasterized again. Opacity. Selection. Use a mask. Set directly, deleting the selected area, try applying a mask. After selecting the background, flip select tool instead of pressing the delete key on the last mask layer button. Click on the mask layer button. Okay, let's just try the mask thing. Let's go here. Let's try the mask. That deleted like everything. Forgot I can send images to ChatGPT. Mask layer seemed to make everything white. Invert the mask. Command I. Control I. Nope. Okay, let's see. Layer menu and select invert. Don't see invert. New adjustment. Okay, I gotta start from scratch. I think I scuffed everything up. Let's just delete it all. Okay, boom. Let's go to the move tool. Can I snap it onto here? That would be nice. Okay. Let's select. Oh, okay. First rasterize. What if I do rasterize to mask? What does that do? Whoa, everything's gone. Let's go back. Let's just do rasterize. Let's select that. Let's do refine. Transparent. Oh. Okay. Mate. What will that do? Undo float select. Undo selection refinement. Opacity normal.
Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that designer.
All they do is press the delete key and it magically works for them. And all the tutorials say is you just press the delete key. Affinity designed to delete key not working. Nothing happens. What version am I using? Let me see. I'm using 2.3. I had the key shortcut myself. Remove background. Unable to remove background. Follow the tutorial to remove background. Worked yesterday, not today. I think this is the same tutorial.
So what we could do, like I have here, and go ahead.
Damn, that's really loud. I can't adjust the
This
volume.
file.
Oh, I can.
Come over to where it says export.
Sorry about
You wanna
that.
Use export rather than save. Click on export, and the format background. All you have to do now is just press delete on the keyboard.
Literally, that doesn't work anymore. You make a selection on a rasterized pixel layer that you want to mask. I am not working on image layer. I have, where are the ants? These are the ants. And the delete key. Export. PNG. Yup. Huh. Did do that. 2.3. Do I have to do a factory reset? How do I even do that? Select. Invert pixel selection. Interesting. There is no white background, but the document can have a white background itself. Oh shit. Is that what it is? Go to document setup, select the color tab. Where is document setup? That might be why, actually. Oh man. Color. Boom. Oh shit, finally. Oh my gosh, how was I supposed to know that? Oh my goodness, we got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Why is that even... Oh my goodness, this thing. Oh my goodness. I'm happy and pissed at the same time. Okay, here we go. Now we're in business. Export. I'm just gonna overwrite it. Let's open a new one. Can I like set a custom one? Save it, create preset. Waifu icon. I think it was 2024. What are the dimensions? Let me see. Details 2048. Okay. 2048. Do the other ones. Oh dang, I closed it again. Okay, let's open it back up. And let's do Millie. Okay, here we go. Now let's do the same steps. Document setup. Transparent background. Boom. Let's go to the pixel. Let's rasterize. Let's flood select. Boom. Delete. Boom. There we go. I guess I can delete that too. These little areas. Not a big deal. Okay. Let's save it. Millie icon. And export. Boom. Okay, now we're in business. New. Let's do preset we got. Let's go here and let's get Mina. Whoopsies. That's not it. Let's delete that. I thought that was the preset. What's wrong with my preset? Didn't save. $2048. 2048. How do I save it? This is what we get with Walmart Photoshop, people. This is what we get. Am I really surprised? Hold up 1 second. What's going on here? Okay. I wonder why I can't save this preset. I did it. Oh well. It's rasterized. Get the flood selection. Flood select? Nope. Well, before I forget, let's make sure the document is transparent. But something's wrong with the flood select. Cool. I did rasterize. It's pixel layer. There we go. Remove these white spaces. There's a little white space there. A little white space here. And I think that's it. That too. All right. Let's export this one. Oh, we can go ahead and save it too. To Mina icon. Bam. Okay. Now we should have transparent icons. Hell yeah. Okay, it's kind of still funky a little bit. There's like white blotches. I wonder why that's happening actually. Oh, it kind of makes sense here. Let me delete these. This is gonna be hard. There's a lot. The well-fed fans are back. Hey, Ghost. Welcome back. I finally figured out how to remove the background. Boom, 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 boom. We gotta move all these things. It might be easier just to use Affinity Design. Photo, I mean. Wonder if I should try that. Let's save it. Let's export. PNG. It's a PNG file. And it's kind of working now. So we got like background, but there's like a lot of weird white stuff going on. But I feel like there's like white outlines. I'm wondering. Because if I look at this, oh, I do see there are like white things. Let me see something. Affinity Photo 2. I wonder if this makes it look better. If I use this program instead, because apparently there's a remove white filter. But it might remove the white it might remove the white in her eyes though. Which might be funky. Okay, I'll try that later. I'm just gonna work with what we got. I guess I can go ahead and though while we're at it. The little white streaks that are going on in the middle. Like this one. Can I click on it? See. Click. Let's just delete it. If I delete that. Kind of looks funky. Click on that. If I had better Photoshop skills, we'd be doing something else. But you know what? This might work out. Let's just try that. Save. Export. PNG. Yup. Go back to Unity. Did it help? Maybe. Okay, you know what? Good enough for now. Good enough for now. Let's not spend too much time. And let's just try to get the game to work. Save it. Unknown response? Dang. Maybe I have to restart. Login session might have expired. Bob. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that worked. Go to join the game. Oh shit. New errors. Ideally, if the game worked, our units would spawn here. How's the in and out? Let's get the music going again. We went through the whole playlist just like that. Okay. Let's go to moods. Footwork? We need more footwork. Check out this error. Cardback unset was not present in the dictionary. Let's do something else. Let's do this one. No errors, but I don't see my guys. My waifus. Waifus aren't present. If I go to my deck, oh, it didn't save? I should see my units up here. Something's wrong with the deck. What is this health bar doing? The hell is that? Oh, there's a character in the back. Oh crap. Okay. Let me see. Let's delete this. Delete these guys. I guess I should check the database to see what the heck's going on. Seems like database issues. Let's go log in, and where is GoLand? Okay, I can look at the database pretty easily. Oh, you know what? I should be looking at the logs here. Let's see. Okay, we got here, and I enter. Username Bob. Huh, it should save my deck when I do save. Save. And if I go back and rejoin, it's not saved. Okay. There's a problem. Saving deck for Bob. Okay. Unit deck? Do I got a row in here? You got 14. Test deck. Unit IDs. Count ID, max units 3. If I save it, does it add a row? No. I think it should add a row. Errors that silent errors are the worst. I believe that's what should be added. There should be a row there. Unless it just alters what we got already, which might be what's happening. Deck name, test deck. Count ID is null. Okay, let's just look. I might have to put a breakpoint or something, but I gotta find out what RPC it is. Save deck. Look for save deck. Request. Deck server. Let's see. This is what should get called. And it calls the save deck method. Maybe I'll put a breakpoint. Let's debug. Let's just make sure the RBC is actually getting called when I press this button. Okay, we are here. Let's step in. Let's just step through everything. The transaction begin. Defer rollback in case anything goes wrong. Delete all units from the deck. Delete from unit where deck ID equals this. What's that? So we got deck ID 1. So it's gonna delete from unit. I don't think that's right. What is this? What the hell? This is supposed to be... How come that didn't throw an error? Okay. Supposed to be deleting from here. Wait, I think. Maybe not. Deck ID in here. There is a deck ID in the unit. Okay, I kind of see what's going on. Maybe that's fine. And so we're working with this first row, I guess. Insert new units into the deck. Insert into unit. Commit the transaction. This is a simple enough query. simple enough. It should have deleted that.
Here's my theory. Whoever made that noise made it intentionally. So we would hear it and find him.
Unit template IDs. Length 1, capacity 0. 60. If I go to unit template ID, we have 60, which is milli. Did I save milli? If I go to Unity, Unity's frozen. Let's see. Pretty sure I saved milli, so go with that. Okay. So maybe it's not the saving function that's broken. It looks like that's working because it is setting this correctly. And if I add another unit and I save it, and remove the breakpoint, there should be two units here now. Yeah, okay. And they have the same deck ID. Yup. Looks good. Okay, so that's all working. What's not working is when I first join, it's not getting the units. Where's the console? QRBC, get available units, get deck. This is not working, I guess. Deck ID 1. Username Bob. Okay. So in that case, let's put a breakpoint here and see what happens. Did the breakpoint get hit? It did. And this is null. Nil. Why is that nil? Model get deck. So that's the issue. Failed to get deck. It didn't fail to get the deck, but it returned empty. So what is this? Inner join. Query units. Damn, this is a ginormous function. What the hell? Unknown card type. Oh. Okay. We're getting closer. We're getting this error. I gotta make the text a little bit bigger, smaller. So why is it unknown? What's our card type? Attack card. Oh, snap. Yeah, that's not right. So the strings got renamed. Where's the string coming from? Let me see. New deck card type. Deck.type. Maybe I should be doing something else, like What is this? What is this doing? This is funky. Funky syntax. New deck.card type. And this is card type string. New string? So we're scanning query cards. Select from card template where unit templates. Let me look at the card template table. These card types, okay, yeah, this is scuffed. So I gotta remove the card from the end of all these from the strings. The import cards function might be that I have here might be messing things up. Let's see. I'm importing card type here. So I know what the issue is. I'm going to just stop that and card type upper. It wasn't appending the card to the end, but I did refactor the photo bus a little bit, so I might just roll with it. Why not? Let's just the way to roll with it would just to be in the get deck here. In the switch case, I would just do attack card, movement card. It's a little funky. I wish it wasn't like that though. Kind of bugging me. Is there a way we can fix that here? See. See what this for loop does. For card. Why did I write this in Python is the real question. Should just use Golang. That's got to be the real question. When the protobuf gets serialized, let's see. Let me check something out here. Where is my unit list? Go. I think serialization, wherever that's happening. Let's check it out. One of card type. It is serialized as that. Attack card. Okay, I'm just gonna roll with it. Yeah, let's just roll with it. Because I don't... Changing this interface is not gonna be fun, so... You know what? Not a big deal. We're just gonna add card here. Let's just add it to the dictionary. So it's not complaining. And let's retry this. Let's save it. Well, let me actually... Okay, let me just restart this thing. I have to turn this on. Bob, 1, 2, 3. All right, deck builder. Did it hit a breakpoint? It did. What do we got? We got 2 stuff here. Cool. Let's turn that off. We save it. We go back. Boom. We're in business. We join the game. We're ready. Okay. Cool. Making progress. We at least got 1 unit to appear here. But we did error out. So it's something. Instantiate unit. I'm not sent to a reference of an object. Unit. I see. So on the prefabs, it's missing a component. Let's go to the prefabs. Prefabs. Let's go to unit prefabs. Actually, this will be in the waifus. Let's see what we got. We need a unit, unit effects, all that stuff. Okay. So, Kurogane. Missing some scripts. Knight. Maybe it was Mina. Let's go to Mina. She needs a unit prefab or a unit script on here. What else does she need? Unit effects? Unit effects. I think that's it. Let me double check. There's a lot of scripts involved. You got unit effects, Knight, AI alert, and the unit controller. Oh, we need a unit controller also on all of them. Okay. Do waifu unit controller. That should do it. Let's go to Millie, do the same thing. Oh, Millie's missing everything. Okay, let's add a unit. Add unit effects, script, and let's add the waifu unit controller. Okay. And then Kurogane, same deal. She's got a Knight. She's got a Knight unit controller. We don't want that. She has unit effects already. We can give her, we can let her have a Knight script, but she does need the waifu unit controller. And she's got everything else, looks like. Okay. Whew. I like redesigned all of the characters, so there is a process involved in migrating to waifu structure, infrastructure. Let's add all of them. Bam! No errors. Whoopsies. Okay. Less errors, new error. Null reference exception. D. Thanks for the alert, Ghost. The waifus are coming in slowly. Hopefully this game is playable eventually, because I want to play it so badly. That's the reason why I'm trying so hard to get it to work. Object reference not sent to reference to an object. So if I have to guess, it's a card. I'd have to put a breakpoint here to see what happens. Breakpoint will tell us right away what's missing. But I do gotta restart. Get a component in children. Particle system. So it's missing a particle system? Let me see. Yeah. Get component in children particle system. Okay. Let's go ahead and add those particle systems in. Let me just see. It's gonna be the magic circle, I think. Okay. Yeah, she needs that. I think they all need that. Okay, she's got it, and then Millie. Okay, looks like they all got it now. I can turn this breakpoint off. Bam! Whoa, something flickered, but okay. Not a big deal. Can't click on them. But that's really cool that this is all working now. Particle system's a little scuffed. I mean, only one of these persons should be highlighted. And I can't click on the cards yet. For some reason. So something broke there. But the weird thing is, I don't got an error. Something wrong with the raycast, maybe. Let's look at the scene. See if I can. See what the raycast is doing. You can see the raycast because it's this yellow thing. It should hide the other cards. I'll put a breakpoint here. Oh, whoops. I should... Not there, but on left click. Do I have an on left click thing? On left click right there. What's going on here? Let's try that. And let's click on that. So it got here, that's good. Card listeners on click. Go down to here, highlight tiles in range. But it's not hiding the hand. Ooh. Card count is 1. That's must be why. Only Firebolt and the hand. I see. Okay, the hand is all scuffed. So I think it's getting confused with the discard pile. Because I think my discard pile is actually... It's getting confused with my hand and the discard pile. Let me look at the discard pile. Where is my discard pile? Let me see. If I look at the scene, I saw like a card over there for a second. Whoops. Okay, well, I think I made a lot of progress. I have to figure out what happened with the cards. Actually, I think I have like a helper thing that can tell me. Cards. Yeah, it says only this is in my hand, but that's the only card that's not in my hand, which is funny. So something is scuffed over there. Firebolt. Cards in hand. Just these 3 guys. Okay, I'll look into it later. We can go ahead and raid somebody. For now. How about we raid somebody? And thanks so much for lurking, guys. Thanks, Ghost. Huge thanks to Ghost for lurking. And Billions. Thanks, Twinkie, for coming into the stream. Thanks, Wolf Goes Nya, for following. Huge. See who we can follow. I mean, raid. Let's go software and game development. I think I'll raid Setolix. Let's do raid Setolix. Whoops. Okay, let's do raid. The raid has been canceled. I already have a raid in progress? What do you mean? How do I have a raid in progress already? Oh, I do. I already started it. Okay. My bad. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for coming to the stream. This is the Simul Shift.
Wow, I've missed several texts from Casual. I am failing as a human. I'm going to include that in my response.
Did it work? Can't tell.
Meow meow.
It looks like that didn't do anything.
Meow
Let me try again.
Yes, yes. I definitely need to record Cal and get his meows in there. Then I can get confused and wonder if it's him meowing or not. I wonder if my phone is good enough to record decent
Okay, let's try again.
sounds from him, because it'll be difficult. I don't think it'd be possible to record him in other ways. I also need to just get more of them, because right now there's only those two. There's the little merp, and then there's the meow. Ow! Deflux, thank you. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
I think it worked actually. Okay, we'll just end the stream here.
Oh, my chest hurts. That's fun.
Cheers, my friends.
Solid would like me to say. Mia said totally.